In this episode, a confident solo woman tackles a stubborn faucet leak by replacing the stem washer and tightening valves. She lists essential tools, demonstrates shutoff valves, and emphasizes safety to prevent drips and surprises during the repair. The step-by-step process includes turning off water, removing the handle, inspecting the cartridge, swapping the washer, and resealing. She shares a time-saving trick like applying plumber's tape to threads and testing with a dry run before full pressure. By the end, the faucet is quiet, the solo homeowner gains confidence, and a simple fix becomes a win for independence.